Do you see a problem and say, I will make this work? Test your skills deploying automation and robotics in the food industry. It's a critical industry, it's fast-paced, it's agile, and everyone has to eat. You'll be taking responsibility for leading projects, spending 3 weeks out of 4 delivering automation projects at site.
When a live production line is not working, you are the person everyone turns to. These are not simple systems. Machine vision, robotics, PLCs, SCADA, software. They only work when everything works together. You need to think in systems.
You build it, you test it, you deploy it. Line 6 must run at 6 AM next Wednesday. That is your problem to solve. Join OAL. Own real projects with real impacts. Peterborough based, 5 years plus in systems, automation, integration.
We recognise the critical role project engineers play and are offering an industry-leading package, performance bonus, company car, and 1 week's downtime every month, because we know it can be a tough role. We're a family-owned business automating food manufacturing. If you want to take on real projects with real ownership, let's talk.